jump. Kaya pinili nila si Chris Pacana. Bakit naman nila pipiliin nga ni Rafi Rivas?
So here's the jump. And who gets it?
Very good. Barangay Ginebra. It's been that kind of game. It seems nothing going right for Barangay Ginebra, but they have found a way.
Now there's a foul around the Del Campo. Okay, Dominic, what is the update on Judy Valenzuela and Chris Alexander?
Well, ito si Judy Valenzuela has actually been suffering from quadricep tendonitis at that time when he tried to make the move, parang may naramdaman daw siyang na-pull. So they're gonna ice him first at titignan nila kung makakabalik siya. Ito namang si Chris Alexander suffering from cramps dun sa kanyang kanang quadricep.
Alright, salamat Dominic. Steal by Gary David. David on the move against Pacana. David! Partially blocked by Pacana. There's a loose ball foul. And might go against
Ginebra here. Mukhang kay Mark Caguioa. You can see Mark Caguioa, Vico is banging his head because he already has 6 turnovers in this game. He's trying his best. But the thing is, when you don't feel right, mahirap talaga makuha yung timing.
Speaking of not feeling right, what about Winnie Arboleda? Wala naman tayong balikan na may injury to si Winnie Arboleda, but not really himself in this game. That's another missed free throw for Arboleda, who is absolutely the most experienced man on this Air 21 squad.
They're on free throw line. Like you said, when Air 21 is winning, that's Winnie Arboleda very involved in trying to make his teammates look better.
The time winding down here in the third quarter. 33 seconds to go before the end of this period. Here's Caguioa on the play. Yes, sir! Tres for Caguioa, playing through the pain, and he has 8 points to show for. Here comes Thomas. 11-point lead para sa Ginebra, and Thomas is fouled.
Now this is going to be the problem for Barangay Ginebra. We know that Eric Meg has been doing well on the offensive end. Ngayong injured, ito si ang Chris Alexander. Now Eric Meg has to work on both sides of the court. Kailangan siya score on one end, tapos babantay niya pa si Steven Thomas on the other.
Thomas makes the first free throw. Mark Caguioa doing his best to contribute tonight. Kahit nananakit na ang kanyang mga tuhod, he drills in a TM3. Sabihin sa inyo ng bagong TM Discarte Sim, 30 pesos lang. May bagong diskarte ka na. 12 seconds to go. Ginebra trying to write the last sentence of the third chapter. Pacana has the basketball over to Caguioa.